Alright, this is how you make fried rice. So you need 3 green onions, 1 or a half pound of chicken, 1 cup of peas, 3 eggs, 4 cups of rice, canola oil, minced garlic, garlic salt, black pepper, and soy sauce. Alright, now we're gonna start with the butter for the egg. Just put that. Now we add in the egg.
Nice.
Nice. Put that higher. I gotta wait. Probably put this to 8 so it doesn't burn so much.
Is that good?
Yeah. And then 2 spoons of garlic.
Woo! She's moist, boys.
Alright, brown. 4. Lower it.
You want one?
To the right, yeah. There you go. Alright.
Yeah, that's probably good.
Then put in the peas.
Something.
Put that in there. Alright, let the peas cook a little bit. Let them sit for at least 30 seconds to a minute.
Good. Just waiting for this oil to come up and splash me. Be very sad. Hopefully it doesn't cook uneven, because the chicken's going to take a little bit to cook.
Yeah. So now you can put the chicken.
Shut up, Justin. Trying to make my fried rice.
Alright, yeah, try to make the chicken on the bottom.
Yeah. No shit. Oh shit, I can't say that. I just did it again. I didn't cut the chicken.
That's doughy.
Right now. You gotta do it now.
Alright, ready?
The chicken. Yeah.
You add this boy of rice, like 4 cups of it. Perfect.
I'll mix it in there a little bit.
Well, put the soy sauce first.
Oh, put the soy sauce.
More.
Maybe, yeah.
Alright, there.
Too much.
Okay. Now, mix.
Alright.
Make sure all the chunks of rice is all...
Brown. Like the other handle. There you go.
Alright, now you can add the egg. Wait. Dump that boy in there. And then green onions.
Yeah, you did the green onions.
Gonna get serving plates.
Oh, you nasty ass.
Did you use your hand?
Yeah. You even wash your hands?
Yes, I washed my hands.
Coca-Cola hands. Jeez. Justin. That looks good.
It does look good. I actually turned out a lot better than I thought I was going to.
The soy sauce definitely made the rice look better.
Oh, yeah. And it helped brown the chicken, too.